Hello and welcome. My name is Amal and you are watching TubeMint. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can install Sublime Text, the latest release of Sublime Text on Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead and launch your preferred web browser. This is Google Chrome and type Sublime Text, and you can click here and just wait this to load. And the process is very simple. So once you are here, download for Windows, you can click this button or click here. Once you click there, this is executable. If you want to take this download to another system, you can download this one, which is a portable version. Click this Windows available. So this is Sublime Text 4.1 point, so 4.14169, which is basically release 4. Okay, what I'm going to do, download not working, try linking, clicking that. So it's started. What I've done, I've already downloaded it for you, so just locate it. And this is Sublime Text 3 and click next. So the process is the same. You can download, install 4, 3, it is going to be the same. Now go ahead and click finish, and here we have Sublime Text. If you click here, it downloads Sublime Text 41969. This was the same. This was the old release. So let's go ahead and wait for this latest one. So, however, I already have installed Sublime Text 3, and it is going to be available here. So once you launch this Sublime Text 3, it should just open, and a newer version is available. Download now. So this is going to upgrade this to 4, which is the latest that was just released. So there are two ways to install uh, and then upgrade, or you can simply go ahead and download the latest release. Thank you for watching. Bye.